Hey viewers, welcome to Chrissy's Kingdom. Hope you're all fine and safe. So today's video is the part 3 of what's in my delivery bag. If you have not yet watched the part 1 and 2 of this, I will add the link in the description box, and then after watching those videos, please come back to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to pack for your delivery bag for your new arrival, for the new member of the family, that is your baby. So the first thing that we need are baby clothes. In baby clothes, the first thing I'm going to show you are tops. Now this is a kind of top which I have bought for my baby, in which there will be 2 ties behind, and I had bought this as a set of 5 pieces with different colors. Similarly, I had stitched the same model with white cotton cloth. Now the next thing are napkins that also should be of pure cotton. So usually for newborns, the Indians, most of us will buy white cotton cloth and stitch it. So from that I had stitched a napkin like this. So this is a cotton cloth which you can get from old sheets or shawls or whatever it is. So I take this cotton cloth and keep inside this napkin and put for my baby, fold it, and there are 2 loops here, and tie it this way. So this kind of napkin will be easy to use and remove for your newborn baby. You can also get to buy such types of napkins. This napkin is from Baby Hug, and I got 5 different colors, and this is one of the color. Now the next thing what I bought for my baby are hat, socks and mittens. I had just bought one set. So suppose your baby is feeling cold at night, will help your baby to keep warm. And mittens, especially your newborn baby may have long nails, and initially it will be difficult to cut your baby's long nails. To avoid your baby from scratching himself or you with his long sharp nails, it's better to use mittens. Now the next thing are baby sheets, towels, etc. So with the same white cotton cloth which I had bought, I had stitched rectangular sheets like this. So I can place my baby on the sheet, or I can cover my baby with the sheet. Now this kind of sheet you can take it from old torn bed sheets. So similarly I had cut it and stitched at the ends. Also you will get to buy small sheets. Now this is a square model I had bought from Baby Hug. This also is a set of 5 which comes in 5 different colors. More than sheets, what is important for your new baby is the swaddle clothes. Okay, because your baby has just come from your womb and he will be feeling cold, because in the womb the baby was feeling warm. So especially during nights, if you cover your baby with a swaddle cloth, your baby will be comfortable and will sleep well. This is just a cotton sheet which can be used as a swaddle cloth. I will do another video in the future about how to swaddle a newborn baby using the swaddle cloth. Now there are 2 types of swaddle cloth. One is you can use normal clothes sheets like this to swaddle your baby, or you get hooded swaddle sheets. See, like this. So here there will be a hood. So here you can keep your baby's head and you can swaddle your baby. Also, if you are bathing your baby, first of all you need to start bathing your baby only after the baby's umbilical cord has dried and come out. So until then you need to just wipe your baby with a wet cloth. After bathing or wiping your baby, also you can use sheets like this. Now other than that, you can buy a set of small cotton clothes to wipe his mouth, that is wash clothes, to wipe his mouth if there is spittle or milk, etc. You can buy small set of clothes. So similar ones will be available in small size, or you can stitch as well. Then the next type of sheet is to avoid your baby from peeing on the bed, that is the dry sheet. Now this is a medium sized dry sheet in which the front part is smooth, so this will avoid messing up your bed. Other than that, you can buy a sheet which is dedicated for oil massage as. Now next are the baby toiletries. The first thing which I want to tell you are about diapers. that is disposable diapers. So initially when you're in the hospital with your newborn baby, the nurses will tell you to wear normal napkins so that they can know the counts of his pee and poops. Okay, so other than that, sometimes in some hospitals where there is air conditioner, they will request you to put disposable diapers. So in such cases, you can buy disposable diapers like Pampers, Mammy Poco Pants, or whatever it is. So make sure that there will be a size chart and you have to buy newborn size, that is the smallest size in a disposable diaper. The next thing that you will need are wet wipes. Now this is the wet wipe which I am using, that is from Mother Sparsh, which has of 98% pure water, and it is not that scented. I had also used Himalayas. It is good, but it is scented. But I prefer Mother Sparsh, and it has no alcohol content. This can be used to wipe your baby after he pees or poops, and even to wipe mouth or anywhere else. The next one is baby soap, shampoos, powder, lotion, all those. Initially, for my baby, I had bought a small set. That is, the bottle is of this size. So initially, I bought this small set so that it will be handy. It is like a gift pack. I already showed them in my baby's room tour. So if you have not watched that video, please check on the link here. Then the next thing which you need to buy for your baby is an optional type of thing, that is baby laundry detergent. People say that you will need a mild detergent to wash your baby's clothes, but it's up to your choice. There are so many detergents which is exclusively used to wash baby clothes. So initially I had bought such a detergent. Now I'm using normal detergent. So if you want, you can buy that, and make sure that before you pack your baby's clothes, do wash them and sun dry them and use it, because some of the clothes which you buy from outside may cause some allergy for your baby, especially now when it's during the pandemic season. Another item which I found very useful during my just after my delivery was Baby Nest, which I had bought it from the hospital itself. So Baby Nest is a kind of mini bed which can be placed on a normal bed. So you can place your baby and sleep next to your baby with no fear. So new moms especially will be very nervous to sleep next to your tiny baby. So if you have a Baby Nest, you can place your baby safely in that Baby Nest. So my Baby Nest has a mosquito net cover as well. So buying such Baby Nest will be good for you. All these are the things which you need to pack for your baby. Now you might have noticed, what is this? This is a signboard which you can keep in your car. Actually, I had bought Bump on Board signboard, and the picture was shown here as well as behind. And I used to use this when I travel in the car when I was pregnant, and after my baby's arrival I just took a printout of Baby on Board and stuck it here. So I didn't have to buy a new board, I just stuck this on my old board, and that was fine for me. So that's all. So hope you all liked my video, and if you are watching my video without subscribing to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a very happy and safe delivery. Okay, so stay tuned for my next video. Bye.